Witnesses, including Hassan's teenage son and the arresting officer. We have team coverage this noon. Lori Schultz remains in court and continues to send us live updates to WIVB.com. Anthony Kanji has just left the courtroom, and he joins us live with the latest. Anthony.
Well, Victoria, the witnesses that were called in the early process this morning set up the scene of the night that Assia Hassan was killed. The first witness called by the prosecution was Thomas Dunning, an administrative staff worker who served Muzamil Hassan divorce papers on February 6, 2009. Dunning said that Hassan gave no reaction when he received the papers. The second witness was Orchard Park police officer Joseph Rizzo. Rizzo responded to a domestic violence call at the Hassan home the same night the divorce papers were given to Muzamil. Officer Rizzo said that when he got to the Hassan home, Muzamil was leaving the home and his hands and clothes were covered in blood. The officer put Hassan in handcuffs and checked the home. No one was hurt inside, but he did see a pane of glass was broken in the home. Hassan was not arrested, but was told to leave as he was in violation of his no contact with Assia and his children for the divorce proceedings. Officer Rizzo was also one of the first officers to respond to the Bridges TV station the night Assia was killed. Now, before the proceedings got underway, we caught up with Hassan's attorney, Jeremy Schwartz, and asked how long he expected this trial to last.
We've been going pretty quickly. I don't know that we're going to have several more weeks to go. Hopefully, we will have a result from this case in the next 2 weeks or so.
In the stand just a short time ago was Hassan's 19-year-old son, Michael, and he described several incidences of violent behavior by Muzamil and his stepmother, toward his stepmother, I should say. Lori Schultz is in the courtroom. We'll have more on that coming up later this evening. Anthony Kanji, News 4 at noon.
Anthony, can I just ask you a question? You've been in the courtroom all morning long. Can you just tell me, what has Muzamil Hassan's reaction been to these prosecution witnesses?
He's been very silent. He's just been sitting inside the courtroom, kind of taking notes, leaning over to his attorney, watching the judge. He really hasn't given any reaction or said anything at all inside the courtroom.
All right. Thank you very much, Anthony Kanji, live this noon. As we mentioned, Lori Schultz is in the courtroom and continues to text us up-to-the-minute testimony and developments. This is just part of what's happening in court throughout the day. As we said, Hassan's son Michael was on the witness stand. He told the court he was in the minivan when Assia's body was discovered. Anytime Lori posts, you'll see it on our website or Twitter or Facebook page.